We're launching something that makes our AI tools that much more powerful and that much more you. We're now creating custom AI content templates designed for each one of our customers, all by our in-house design team. That means when you generate content in ChangeEngine, whether it's a communication, an FAQ, a poster, or a manager one-pager, it's not generic. It looks and feels like your brand. Fonts, colors, layout, logo placement, it's all baked into the templates from day one. So instead of spending time editing or reformatting AI output, you're sending content that's already on brand, polished, and ready to go. And because these templates are custom built by our design team, they reflect your voice, your look, and your feel, not just your logo. Whether you're launching onboarding, recognition, manager coaching, or a change initiative, the content your team generates will look like it came from your internal creative studio. This isn't just AI-generated content. It's your brand at scale, powered by AI and made possible by our design team. And the best part, we've already created custom templates for all of our clients. Just log in to start using yours and generate on-brand content instantly.